Hello again, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener. Today I want to talk about lemongrass. This is a wonderful ornamental grass, great for outdoor areas that occasionally have bug issues. This grass actually contains citronella. It's a nice natural way to release citronella in your garden, and it is a really beautiful ornamental grass. So it's kind of neat for repelling bugs, but also giving some nice color to your garden. It looks great in areas where you have a little bit of wind flowing through it to get that great effect of blowing in the wind. Now, this particular grass is a little frost sensitive, best for USDA zones 8 through 10. If it gets really cold or you get some frost or snow, the top will die. Just whack it back. It'll come back in the spring. It's a tough little grass. Great for big open areas. You can use it on slopes. Again, it looks great. It gets about 4 feet tall by 4 feet wide, so make sure you have plenty of space for that, and it will spread a little bit, so it'll kind of keep it contained. Again, put it in some place where you can kind of let it be a natural barrier for those insects in your garden. It's actually used for cooking in the Thai culture. But also one more thing, if you have a dog that needs to eat a lot of grass, this is a little toxic. So again, great for cooking, not so great raw eating for dogs, but it's great for repelling bugs naturally in your garden. There are some links in the comments section if you want to buy some directly, and I love using this stuff, especially in big open gardens where I have some mosquito issues in that particular landscape. So this is called lemongrass. Again, has citronella, a wonderfully tough grass. Anyway, that's all the time we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2 Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.